Hi, my name is CJ and I'm going to show you how to cut and mount your handrail for your signature rod or cable railing system. Before you do this, make sure that all of your posts are mounted.
In this install, we provide most of the materials needed for the installation. You'll need to bring a drill or impact driver, a 9/64 inch drill bit, painter's tape, a tape measure, a writing utensil, a mallet, 2 clamps, and a saw. Step 1. Measuring. Start by measuring the length of handrail you'll need for your first run. For end posts, you'll measure from the outside of the handrail bracket on the post. If your handrail will end on a corner post, you'll want to have one handrail terminate on the outside edge of the post and the other on the inside edge of the post. Make sure to be aware of this when measuring.
If your run is greater than 20 feet, you will need to use multiple pieces of handrail. Be sure to measure to the center of the bracket that your run will end on, not to the end of it.
Once you know the location of your post cuts, put painter's tape on the handrail to guard the area and use a Sharpie to mark your cut line. Step 2. Cutting. We recommend using a chop saw to cut your handrail. Make sure to use a blade suitable for cutting the metal type that you have. We are using stainless steel in this video and have a stainless steel cutting blade. As always, secure the handrail with clamps to keep it from jumping and use ear and eye protection. Now, line up the end caps with the opening in your handrail and using a rubber mallet or dead blow hammer, tap it into place. Since the handrail comes with one end finished, you will only need to do this on one side of the handrail. Step 3. Mounting the handrail. Place the cut capped handrail on top of the handrail brackets, making sure it's in the desired position. Then, clamp the handrail to the outside handrail brackets on the first and last post of the run. If you are mounting to a corner post, attach the clamps to one edge of the handrail bracket as shown. Pre-drill all holes using a 9/64 inch drill bit. Once the holes have been pre-drilled, use the provided mounting screws to attach the handrail. Now, move the clamps to the inside handrail brackets on the same posts. For corner posts, move the clamp to the other edge of the handrail bracket as shown. Pre-drill and attach the mounting screws in the same way that you just did. It may be easiest to remove the handrail brackets after you've installed at least one mounting screw on each side. This will let you access the middle holes as well. You've installed the first handrail in your system. We recommend working one handrail at a time rather than cutting all of your handrails first. When you mount handrail, it will naturally pull the posts together, securing the system. If you cut all of your handrail first, this could cause the measurements to be incorrect.
Thanks for watching this video on installing your signature handrail. To learn how to install the rest of your signature rod or cable railing system, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Viewrail or go to our website, viewrail.com.